What is the causative agent of Oropouch fever recently seen in news? C. Virus is a correct answer. Nauka recently seen in news is the traditional boat race of which state? B. West Bengal is the correct answer. Recently, who has been appointed as the 35th Foreign Secretary of India? B. Vikram Misri is a correct answer. Bhupinder Singh Rawat, who recently passed away, was associated with which sport? D. Football is a correct answer. Recently, who won the Leon Master Chess Championship for the 10th time? B. Vishwanathan Anand is the right answer.